Good morning everyone. I thought I'd just show you what my skin looks like before I apply Trinny London BFF Cream SPF 30 Protection, the Skin Perfector. So this is before. I'm going to apply this. I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 pumps of this and I'll take 1 more pump if I need it. Here we go. And just apply it in the face. Added glow. Just gives it a light coverage, a sheer coverage to the skin. So you're watching me apply it here. I apologise for the low angle. It's the only place I can put it down. Put some on the neck as well. Nice glow. Even out the skin tone a little bit. Put some under the eyes as well, just so it's evenly covered. Ring finger, and just dot it underneath and gently glide. And what this does is it gives you the SPF 30 protection. I have SPF underneath this as well. It gives you a light coverage, and the porcelain flower extract that's inside helps to tone down redness, which I actually kind of need after I've cleansed in the morning, because using a muslin cloth in the morning can make my skin a bit red, what with me being vampire porcelain. But yeah, it's a lovely product. This is my skin after applying the Trinny London BFF SPF 30 Protection Skin Perfector. So this is the after of the result.